Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And Ann is driving today with a dish called
Marvelous mac and cheese, because I love mac and cheese, so to speak, but the problem is there's never enough sauce. This is the solution, and you will not believe it. So we're starting out with 1.5 cups of vegetable broth.
Which is, look at it, look at it.
Oh my God!
It's going crazy.
Quickly.
What do we go?
And put in 1 chopped onion and about 6 to 8 chopped garlic, please.
Okay, I'll do that.
And 1 bag of frozen butternut squash. So in the bag goes
the onion. I put the chopped onions in.
Jane,
that was a
did that
dramatic.
water vanish a little? I mean that.
No, it just started to boil when the witch's brew started to go when we started talking.
But the magic of this, and what makes it so crazy, is mochi.
Can you say that again?
M-O-C-H-I. This is by Eden, and it is organic sprouted brown rice, and it looks like
toffee or something. Here. It looks like.
Will you put that in the oven? I want to show you what this
At what
will
degree
do.
and for how long?
Put it in the oven at 450 for about 8 minutes. You won't believe what it does.
Okay, I have a question. Like many other people. Is this part of the recipe, or is this a show and tell thing?
That's part of, well, no, that's show and tell.
Okay.
I am about to show you part of the recipe.
Okay, this is just a side show and tell what mochi is and what can happen to it at 450 for 8 minutes or so. So this is not part of the recipe. This is just showing what this rice stuff is. It's fascinating.
So I'm undoing 2 of these because it takes 2 of them.
Should I stir this, Mommy? What else can we add to this?
Not one thing, but is there enough liquid in it?
I can add.
Oh, the garlic has got to be in.
Is there any other vegetables that go in?
No, nothing. This is the whole thing of
the broccoli.
Jane.
Okay.
You don't know what I'm doing.
I know.
It is magic.
I saw broccoli in the sink.
Yes, but I'm going to tell them the story of the broccoli in the sink in a minute.
Can I help you with the mochi? This
mochi. Okay. Now, Jane, you have a job. You have to chop that mochi.
Okay. How do I chop it?
Just cut it up
into cubes or into
little pieces.
Little cubes or diced?
Well, I don't. You have a good knife.
Yeah, like this big. I just want it
like this.
Okay. I can get cube it or
and just little cubes.
Okay, that's all I needed to know. Let me do that. You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm going to let you do that.
And then what do I do with these? What do I do with these cubes?
Just leave them right there. I want to read to you about mochi, because what it is it's pounded whole grain, cut into pieces, that rice, and vacuum packed. Sprouting creates desirable enzymes, a rejuvenating and strengthening food. Mochi is deeply satisfying. I totally agree. And wait till you see what it does to this mac and cheese.
Does this go in with the rest of this?
No, not yet. And when that is nice and soft.
This is getting pretty nice and soft.
You didn't just put the broccoli.
It's softening for sure.
It's cooking too hot.
Okay, we'll turn it down.
It needs to cook about 12 minutes. Is the other mochi, how's it going? Is it in the oven?
The little mochi is in the oven and it's doing its thing. Oven just got to 450 and it's going to cook for, let me put the timer on. I'll give it about 6 more minutes. Okay. So this is getting really soft now, Mommy. What's the next step?
12 minutes, we're going to put in the mochi, and then we're going to put in a whole lot more other things. Would you put that in, Jane?
Yes. These look like little bits of caramel or something. I know it's pounded rice grains, but so in this goes Wade.
Jane, and here goes a 4th cup of nutritional yeast.
Mmm.
And
yum.
Jane, a tablespoon of miso. 2 tablespoons,
1 tablespoon of miso.
1,
Okay.
2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. That wasn't a whole one.
1/4 cup is a tablespoon, so I'm going to go 1/4 cup.
1 teaspoon of turmeric.
Ooh. Turmeric. Oh, that's what makes it have that beautiful yellow color.
Yeah,
Did you put it in yet? Oh, you did. Can I stir it a little bit?
sure. Oh, red pepper flakes, did I bring them?
Yeah, I've got them. I've got them out right there on the on your counter.
Black pepper, Jane,
Yeah, I got black pepper right here. Fee, fi, fo, fum. How much you want?
half a teaspoon or whatever. And did you have red pepper flakes?
Right there in front and center, on the cutting board. This looks lovely. I know it just looks like a big orange pot of
And
boiling.
here is red pepper flakes. This is a 1/4 teaspoon.
Nice. This smells good, Mommy.
And and my vinegars. I am going to put in a tablespoon.
Oh, Acid Queen's got to put in her vinegars.
I'm putting in a tablespoon of lemon balsamic. This balsamic is very slow to come out.
Why is that? Wonder.
I don't know. There's something about this. And Jane, there's a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have it right there.
Okay.
Jane, can you turn this down a little so that it's not quite so?
I know it's just roaring high, and it's on like 2. It's on low, low, low. I did not put the apple cider vinegar in yet, Mommy. I was.
All right,
looking
and
at the
then we
mochi.
want to just cook that until the mochi is dissolved.
Okie doke. And we got the red pepper flakes. Yeah,
All
you did.
done.
Okay. This
And
looks
then-
great. Can we review what's in there just while you're doing that? I'm just going to say this out loud. Wade, can you hear me okay?
Yep.
So in here we have butternut squash, onion, garlic, vegetable broth, mochi, turmeric, black pepper, nutritional yeast, red pepper flakes, sesame seeds, and lemon balsamic and apple cider vinegar and miso. And now 2 cups of we're going to go on to what's next. So I have just set the timer about the mochi in the oven. Let me see if it's doing its thing. Look at that, Wade.
Look at that! Look at that! It's so, wait, it's so exciting.
Adorable.
It is, and it's so delicious. And it's upside down. Look, isn't that amazing? I am crazy about mochi.
Isn't that, but like that's the cube it was. And that's what's happened to it.
Wait, I meant to
And
have-
Mommy, what I think is so brilliant is you translated this somehow into macaroni and cheese, which
Absolutely.
is bananas.
This is so fun. And I mean, I could just eat 10 of these.
What does it taste like to you?
Delicious.
Like, is it savory? Is it salty? Is it crunchy? Is it
it's
sweet?
not, it's just mochi.
Is it? Is
Okay, now into, all right, are we this ready?
Looks like it's getting dissolved. Yeah.
All right, let's put it through the cuisine, let's blend it up.
Okay, so we're gonna put all this over here into the food processor.
Yep.
Okay. All right, wait. I'm gonna transfer all this. You got a good view for the. Don't get splashed. Don't get splashed. Don't get splashed. That's hot stuff.
We're gonna blend it,
And this is gonna be the sauce.
and this is the sauce.
It
But you see,
smells
the
good.
exciting thing is, the sauce is vegetables. I mean, it's just so, you could eat just the sauce. All right, Jane, do you want to blend it?
Zzz, yeah. Okay.
2 seconds to blend.
This is the machine I have to hold this down in order for it to work. Works beautifully. Just likes the support. Look at the chimney. That's how hot it is. You see the chimney and steam? How long?
That's fine. It looks good. Yeah, it's good.
Yep. Okay, so what happens now? What do we
Pour it,
put-
will you pour it? Oh, here are
cooked bonza noodles?
yes. That it's
Chickpea?
chickpea.
So what are these bags? Of
And
information?
I want to show them. Now, Jane, would you pour this into here?
Okay, hold on. So I get the space. So I can pour it over like with visibility. Nice. Oh, you go all of it. All right, I didn't know.
All of it.
Ha! I
All
like
of it, Jane.
I like lots of sauce on.
Oh my God, that's the problem with most mac and cheese is there's not enough sauce. So here we are.
It must be
also-
genetic because I feel the same way.
Do you? And now I'm going to put some frozen broccoli in, but I have found I don't want to have to cook it. So what I do is I dump this broccoli into the sink and I put it under hot water for a little while. So it gets just a tiny bit cooked because the half hour that this bakes is not enough to make this so that it's the equal soft as the pasta. So in that goes.
Stir it up.
Stir that up.
Wow.
And then because, why not? Here is some frozen spinach.
Why not? Always room.
There's always room.
How much? Like that's like a cup or two? 2 cups?
It's about 2 cups of broccoli and maybe
A
a cup of spinach.
Yeah. All right. So how about those red peppers? Look like they're wanting to do something.
Not yet.
Okay. She has so many little clues, and I'm jumping ahead because I've cooked for these so often. But this is a new one.
So
this is a new
there
one.
it is. And
Brilliant.
then on top of that, where's my nutritional yeast?
Oh, here.
Did you put it away?
No, I had mine out and yours out. We were dueling nutritional yeast, and here is yours, and here's this one.
All right, I don't know how to.
Here.
Well,
Oh, so you're going to coat the whole.
I'm just put about
Nice.
2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And then
My mouth just watered.
on top of that, I'm going to put
Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty.
pretty. And it's delicious.
Now, how long do we cook it for?
Half an hour,
At what degrees?
350.
Okie doke. In we go. And
We did it.
here. Well, I'm putting this in. Will you show people how you eat mochi?
No, Jane,
And
you-
people won't know how to
Jane.
attack that.
would you like to try it? Jane, would Wade,
Okay.
first bite.
Okay. Thanks. It's kind of hot.
It's not really. It's cool.
Okay. I'll take a bite. Here now. I'm just eating a piece of tofu. Oh, it is good.
It is good.
It's like a bread. I mean, I know what you guys are saying.
It's gooey inside.
I know.
It's
It's
good.
so surprising. I tell you, I love it. And I love it like this,
Here, wait.
and I love it.
Yeah, it's
And there's so many suggestions here for doing it. You can pan fry 2 sides under low heat until puffed. You can cube or slice
Wow.
and deep fry. You can cube, cook, and add to soups or stews as dumplings. You can slice in half lengthwise and melt in a waffle iron until golden. I mean, you can do so many things with this.
Okay.
So.
Well, Anne was very generous, and she made one earlier, and it's about to be done. So, we'll come back to you when it's ready. Okay? See you in a bit. Okay, we pulled Anne's things, Anne's
Masterpiece.
masterpiece out about, it's cooled for like 15 minutes for us right now. And we are so excited.
Warm enough for you to taste, Jane.
Yeah, I'm a wimp. My eyes, my ears, my tongue, everything's so sensitive. So let's go. And Wade has requested hot sauce with his. All right, Wade. I'm going to give you a little zhuzh. Is a zhuzh too much?
No, that's perfect. Just a little bit.
I thought I was going to give you a zhuzh.
Maybe he should put his own on.
Perfect.
Ah,
Oh,
Perfect.
okay. Here you go. Give that a masterpiece try. Thank you, Mommy. Anne's masterpiece mochi mac. Should we say mochi macaroni and cheese or maybe just masterpiece mac and cheese? This is great.
nice.
It's so smooth. There's enough sauce.
Sometimes
This is bananas good, Mommy.
it's,
I mean,
it's
bonkers good.
It was really
I don't want people to think there's bananas in here because there might be with all the things we put in.
It could be bananas.
Yeah, next version.
You know what? That's a thought.
Oh God, Mommy. Oh, what have we
Might
unleashed?
make it smooth.
All right, we're gonna keep eating this.
Well, what I like is there's so much that's really good for you.
So much.
From spinach and broccoli and just
Onions, butternut squash,
onions,
garlic,
garlic.
miso.
I mean,
Red pepper.
It's everything you'd want to eat almost in a day. Right here.
And a dish. And I like how you can use any kind of pasta as the base, like whatever you choose. Elbow, whole wheat, chickpea based, or
But I like the fact that this is chickpea based because that's a little beans in here.
I think I got a hot sauce bite. All right, I'm gonna go get some water. Thank you so much. And we're curious what you might add to your marvelous
Mac and cheese.
mac and cheese. All right, thank you. Bye.
Bye.